Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our report project, Design and Simulation of Automatic Bus Ticket Purchase using Verilog HDL. So this is our teammate, Nayeem Ahmed, Shaian Khan, Jahir, Hossain and Sanchoy Roy. In our next slide, uh, we are going to see content. In content we have introduction, background, logic, design flow, uh, systematic, Verilog HDL code, ethical declaration, budget narrative and conclusion. Introduction. Vending. We have used the vending machine. Similar. We have used the code close to vending machine. Almost the close. Almost these type of code are almost close each other, like vending machine, ATM booth. So we are most of the vending machine and ATM booth are automatized, and we also want to introduce an automated bus ticket in Bangladesh, so that we can get rid of many problems. Background. Bangladesh is the overpopulated country. Most of the people uh, are below poverty line, so they need to use public transportation. So almost there is no well organization for transport. So we want to make a system that helps us to provide a good organized public transport system. Logical design flow. So we have made a simple we have made a simple 10 and 20 ticket bus. So 10 taka and 20 taka bus ticket. So if there is no, so let's here we can see start. So at start, if there is no input value, it going to get reset and again start. Then if there is start and if there is no reset, then there need to be inserted money, and money can be 10 taka or 20 taka. So if it is 20 taka, uh, then if it is not 10 taka, if it's 20 taka, then it will to buy ticket 2. If it is 10 taka, and you need to see it again if it is again 10 taka or not. If it is again 10 taka, then it is going to make it sure that it is 10 taka. Then it's going to buy ticket 1. In this way, we can select the ticket and end the program. This is our schematic. So here we can see there is 3 input AND gate, 4 input AND gate, 2 input OR gate and 2 input AND gate. And here we can see the flip-flop, 2 flip-flop is used here, and another 3 AND gate, another 3 input AND gate is also used here. So this is our basic design, circuit design. Like taka, there's two vector, that means there is 2 array of taka, and there is clock, reset, ticket 1 and ticket 2. The same design, and we made it clear picture of it. Now Verilog code. This is our code, and here we can see we have initial the entity and end the entity and architecture. So there this is a mini type machine, so we stated the type and signal present state. This is our present state and signal state we declared, and the process is reset and clock. If reset is 1, then present state is s equal to s0. We're going to go to the beginning state, end the process begin tak. Now we are going to process taka 10 and taka 20. So case present is, we use the case present to help ourselves with it. when it is taka 20, then next state will be S0. If there is taka 20 equal to 1, then next state will be 20s. If there is not else, the next state will be S0. If when S10, if taka 10 is 1, and again we will check if the taka 10 is 1, then S10 equal to 20s. Then end the if. When 20s and ticket 1 is equal to 0 and ticket 2 is equal to 1, the next state will be s equal to 0, and it going to again back to the initial state and begin the loop. This is our this is our timing diagram. So here we can see how how we are going to buy taka 1, taka 10p, and taka 10 ticket. 10 ticket is for taka ticket 1, and taka 20 is for ticket 2. And this is our clock period. Ethical declaration to create a fair and friendly relation between the public transport conductor and bus driver sorry, and uh, and the passengers, and there is to avoid conflict among the passengers and the bus and counter. So we made an automated ticket system so that no one can uh, make give less data for the traveling and for the transportation, and reduce the and we also this system also helps to reduce the ticket in black market. It also helps to develop to detect the corruption activity and block the sales of the ticket to those persons who are buying the ticket at a very low price and selling the ticket at a very high price. Here we have budget narrative. Here we have make a narrative of the budget so that we can understand how much money is required to make this system. This system can be applied to any transportation in bus, train, uh, in cars also. There are also some car transportation, so we can fix that amount. Here we are using logical gate, D flip-flop, multi-functional LCD, and case. The estimated budget is 4,650. We can add some more to make more efficient, but this is the minimum budget is required to build this system. Conclusion. Here we using this system, time is saved because we don't need to wait for the line. We can buy it online, and it is user friendly. It is a great solution for public transportation. In Bangladesh, the public transportation is a major disadvantage for every people and citizenship of Bangladesh, because we all always need to get early and to attend somewhere. But if we can understand how much distance we need to cover and make a system, then we can easily go there. And this can be only done by properly managing a system. Finding the problem and solution. We need to find what's the problem in our public transportation, in ticket counter, in road system, so that we can manage and identify the problem and solve that problem. In future, we can use card system. That means we don't need to put taka. We can make a card and put uh, put some money on the fixed money like SIM card and use it for again and again, and we can also recharge the card. This is our conclusion, and this is our report. Here we have explained everything. So I am opening the report because I want to show the test bench that we have done. So excuse me. So this is our test bench. So this is our test bench. So we have used the test bench here. The test bench was initialized as value 0. We have faced problem with the test bench. So we need to we need to modify this test bench and use some initial value so that we can get the perfect timing diagram to make us understand what's going on the code. So this is our test bench, and we put some value here, here, and here, and we understand. And after taka 20, taka 10, then we get this timing diagram. In this is our result after the test bench. Thank you for listening to our project. This is our project. I hope we will make also many other projects like this, which will help Bangladesh to move forward. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.